Namaste, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, Pranam, and hellos. Yet again, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to make a recipe called butter garlic prawns. It is a tongue tickling recipe as well as melt in the mouth recipe. The magic over here is just garlic, and the name itself suggests that it's butter garlic prawns, so garlic is going to do the wonders. Only one spice I'm using, which is black pepper. And if I tell you everything here, then how will I show you in the kitchen? So let's go to my kitchen and start making butter garlic prawns. So these are the ingredients required for making garlic prawns, butter garlic prawns. So this much is one bowl of prawns I have taken, and the other ingredients I will tell you how to proceed. So we come to the pan now. I have heated 3 big spoons of oil, and since it's a butter garlic prawn, so I would be putting inside butter. We put oil also because we do not want the butter to get burned. So in any recipe which includes butter, you have to also put oil. So just give the butter a time to melt, just around a sec, and immediately after this I would be putting chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic. The butter should absorb the aroma of the garlic entirely. It should lock inside itself. Then only the dish would come out very good. Just keep the gas on medium. Then I have just roughly chopped and slitted few green chilies, which would again go inside the oil and leave its flavor. This has to be primary in this recipe. So garlic followed by chilies, and just give it a stir till the time it absorbs the flavors. So now I'm putting the gas on sim. Initially it was on medium because I was monitoring it. Yes, it has come out after 2 minutes. I have just stirred it, and now I'm putting the prawns, which is around 1 bowl. Pour it very gently because prawns are very soft, and whenever you toss it also, don't toss it very gently. So it's just a 5-minute process. The entire prawns get cooked, but be very careful. And in this now I would be putting salt. Salt would go very less because we have taken butter, so check and put the salt. Initially I'm putting it less, later on I will put more. Then goes curry patta. Just roughly taking it and pulling it out and putting it inside it. Again, it would leave good flavors. Then goes lime. These prawns are sort of in the poach process, so little bit of water it would leave. Then goes black pepper. This is the only spice which should go inside this, because we are making the recipe fully laden with garlic, so we just want the garlic flavor to come out, nothing else besides that. So black pepper would do the magic of spice, and green chilies we have already slit and put it inside it. I have also taken the back side of the spring onion. I have not chopped the onions, only the behind side of it. Onions I don't want to put in this. So just for flavor again I have put the back side of spring onions, and just give it a quick stir continuously, seeing to it that the prawns are not breaking. That's the main purpose over here. The prawns should come out nice, like in chunks only. See the water which was just floating, the little water which was I was showing it was poaching, that is just evaporating, and I'm continuously just tossing the thing so that it gets a bit crispy. So after 3.5 minutes of stirring, then for the last 1.5 minutes, just put a lid on it and keep it on sim. This is ginger garlic powder. So I don't put ginger garlic paste into it. Just for flavor, I would be adding half a spoon of it. And I'm opening the lid now. Yes, it has become crispy. So my purpose has been solved of putting butter and closing the lid. Half a teaspoon of ginger garlic. This is optional if you don't have. I don't like to put the paste into this recipe, so I put the powder. Then a quick stir, and yes, it has been done. Since I'm monitoring the process and it's coming to an end, so I have just raised the flame of the gas, and I'm putting the last ingredient, which is chopped coriander. So you've seen how simple this dish is. Basically garlic and chilies and salt and pepper. Just adding to these 4 to 5 things which are giving us the best prawns. Okay, now I'm switching off the gas. So I have plated my butter garlic prawns. What I have observed in Indian cooking is that as long as you're not cooking Mughlai or biryani, please keep the dishes simple. As we have seen in this prawns, we didn't make it spicy, but when we eat it actually, then it's really the more simple you keep it, the more tasty it becomes. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and you will try. Kindly comment in my comment box, like, subscribe my channel, and for now I'll take your leave. We'll meet you soon with something very nice and simple, of course, so that all the ingredients are available in your kitchen and you don't have to rush down. I try that as much as I can try. Okay, bye. Stay fit, stay healthy. Bye bye.